Welcome to Financepedia, your best guide for financial freedom. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Our topic for today is 20 ways to get free gas in your car. Ways to get free gas. Although gas prices continue dropping in the US, we are still facing record high prices that exceed last summer's national average, according to AAA. If you are wondering about ways to get free gas, you're not alone. There are many ways to not just save on fuel for your vehicle, but ways to get free fill-ups. And yes, they are all completely legal. 1. Earn free gas gift cards with credit card rewards. Rewards credit cards sometimes offer gas station gift cards as part of their redemption program. Plus, you may be able to earn bonus rewards on gas station purchases to stretch your money even further. The Discover at Chrome gas station and restaurant rewards card gives you 2% cash back on your first $1,000 spent on combined gas station and restaurant purchases each quarter, making it perfect for travel. And the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card gives you 3% back on fuel purchases at U.S. gas stations. 2. Apply for a gas station credit card. Gas station credit cards may offer even more generous rewards for fuel and related purchases. For instance, in the first 90 days after opening your card, the BP Visa credit card delivers 25 cents off per gallon for every $100 in BP gas station purchases, 15 cents off for $100 in eligible grocery, dining and travel purchases, and 5 cents off every $100 you spend in other places. Make your money work for you. Shop for a gas credit card carefully, though. 1. Like the BP Visa, that allows you to use it anywhere, is typically more profitable than a card you can only use for gas. And you'll almost always get a better return with a general cashback credit card or a travel rewards card. 3. Join your gas station loyalty program. If you don't want to open another credit card, or you have poor credit that won't allow you to qualify, you can still join your preferred gas station loyalty rewards program. Shell, ExxonMobil, Speedway, Circle K, BP, Quick Trip, and many other gas stations all have loyalty programs that allow you to earn points you can redeem for cashback or savings on fuel. Shell and BPME loyalty rewards members can shave 5 cents off every gallon you purchase just by using the program. 4. Cash and grocery store rewards. Many grocery stores from coast to coast have partnered with gas stations to earn money off every gallon of gas just for shopping. Some of the stores that have lucrative loyalty programs to earn as much as $1.50 off per gallon. While it's not free, it can almost cut your gas bill in half. Make your money work for you. When you're trying to accrue points for gas discounts, the more you spend, the more you save. Being loyal to one grocery store can help you earn points more quickly, and stores bank on that. 5. Enter free gas sweepstakes. Google gas sweepstakes and you'll find more than 13 million results. Some are local contests, like Circle K's Win Fuel for a Year contest for South Carolina residents. When you're searching for sweepstakes, look for those sponsored by reputable brands. 6. Redeem Swagbucks points for gas. Swagbucks is giving away free gas gift cards plus cash. You can earn Swagbucks by shopping online, taking surveys, playing games, and even sharing Swagbucks with friends. Cash them in for free gas gift cards or deposits of cash into your PayPal account. 7. Buy discounted gift cards. Websites like giftcardgranny.com make it easy to buy gift cards at a discount or earn rewards when you use the cards. The site has a wide variety of gas station gift cards to choose from. Make your money work for you. 8. Become a Gas Buddy member. The Gas Buddy app helps you find gas stations with the cheapest gas near you. But you can also earn free gas when you use the Pay with Gas Buddy debit card. Simply load funds onto this prepaid debit card, use it at top retailers, and earn gas back rewards that you can use on your next fuel purchase. When you use the Pay with Gas Buddy debit, you'll also get 25 cents per gallon back on every fill-up. The card is free and no credit check is required. 9. Download the Upside app. Upside is an app that helps you earn cash back when you buy gas, shop at grocery stores, or dine out at restaurants. No separate card is required. Just choose an offer in the app, pay with your linked debit or credit card, even a rewards card, and earn cash back. Trade it in for a direct deposit straight to your bank account, funds deposited into PayPal, or gift cards you can use for gas and more. 10. Use Fetch to earn gift cards. With more than 1 million 5-star reviews, the Fetch app has been gaining popularity as a way to earn free gift cards just for shopping. Shop at any store, scan your receipt, and earn points toward gift cards from major retailers, including gas stations. Earn even more by redeeming special offers, sharing the app with friends, and shopping online. 11. Join a wholesale membership club. Sam's Club, Costco, and BJ's all offer discounts on gas to members. In some cases, the money you'll save by fueling up at these locations will more than pay for your membership. 12. Get gas vouchers from the Salvation Army. Several sources cite the Salvation Army as one way to find free gas vouchers if you are in financial need. The Salvation Army typically hands out free gas vouchers once a year to those who need gas to travel to work or to medical appointments, according to the website freefinder.com. Check with your local Salvation Army to see if you qualify. 13. Call 211 for guidance to find free gas. Call 211 or visit 211.org to get connected to local resources that may provide free gas vouchers and other financial assistance. The 211 program is run by United Way, which may provide gas vouchers or connect you with other organizations that can help. 14. Reach out to your local church or charity organization. Local houses of worship and food pantries may be able to offer assistance to those in need. Other national and international charities, including St. Vincent de Paul and Catholic Charities, may also provide gas vouchers. It's best to save these resources for those who really need them, so only request gas vouchers if you need gas money for traveling to school, work, or for non-emergency medical care. 15. Use your SNAP EBT cash card at the pump. Did you know that if you qualify for SNAP EBT cash assistance through the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families program, you can use your EBT cash card to purchase fuel and other items at gas stations. You won't be able to use your regular EBT card from the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance program, formerly food stamps, at the pump, but you can use an EBT cash card, which works the same as any other debit card. 16. Reach out for government assistance. Through Medicaid, the federal government offers free transportation to Medicaid recipients who need a ride to non-emergency medical treatments and appointments. The non-emergency medical transport benefit offers ride-share services, taxis, or other transportation so you can get to your appointments. You may need to speak with a member of the customer service staff to schedule a ride. 17. Increase your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Boosting your car's fuel efficiency by making sure your tires are properly inflated. Driving with windows closed and using the right motor oil for your engine is like putting money in your pocket. 18. Practice safer driving habits to get more miles to the gallon. Reducing your speed and maintaining a steady speed on the highway can improve your car's fuel efficiency. Quick stops and rapid acceleration burn more gas. The U.S. Department of Energy says that by changing your driving habits and obeying the speed limit, you can boost the fuel efficiency of your traditional gas engine by 15% to 30% on the highway, and 10% to 40% during city driving or in stop-and-go traffic. 19. Walk, ride a bike, e-scooter, or use public transportation. If you don't have a long ride, there are many cost-effective ways to get around. E-scooters and e-bikes have been a growing trend since gas prices started climbing. You can also take a bus, walk, or ride a bike. Plus, getting out from behind the wheel of a vehicle and taking a walk is great for your overall health. The Mayo Clinic recommends at least 30 minutes of physical activity per day to help prevent many diseases, including diabetes. A 2-mile walk or 10-mile bike ride easily meets that goal. 20. Carpool. Whether you're sharing a ride to the office with co-workers or tagging along with friends to run errands, you can save money on gas by carpooling. Just be sure to reciprocate whenever you have the means. Perhaps you can take turns driving or treat your friend to a coffee when you have some extra cash. You might even consider paying your friend back with one of the free gas gift cards you earned through one of the tips on this list. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful content.